I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio with the channel you control. Once signed in, go to Customization and click the Branding tab so you see banner and background options. This is where you change the background image. Make sure you already prepared a 2048 by 1152 PNG or JPG under 6 MB because YouTube crops and compresses uploads. This saves time and prevents resizing errors. If you don't have the file, quickly export or resize your image in an editor before proceeding. Now upload the prepared image by clicking Upload under the background or banner setting. You will immediately see a preview. Once done, inspect the center safe area versus how it will appear on mobile and TV because YouTube crops differently per device. If important elements are off-center, re-edit the image or reposition by reuploading a corrected file. Continue iterating until the preview shows a good composition across devices. Make sure text or faces stay inside the safe zone to avoid being cropped out. Finish by clicking Publish so the new background goes live across your channel. After publishing, reload your channel page and clear cache or test in an incognito window to confirm the updated look. Sometimes cached assets delay changes. If the upload fails or looks wrong, reduce file size under 6 MB, confirm exact 2048 x 1152 dimensions, or try a different browser or device to rule out local issues. One key tip: re-export at high quality but lower compression to preserve clarity without exceeding size limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.